everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel today. If this is the first time of engaging, you are welcome. My name is Chigozie David. You are welcome to my channel, Cities Crochet Wears. If you're a return subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you so very much for subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pompon at home. You can use cup, you can use the remote, you can use fork, you can use power bank. Just like today, I'm going to be using power bank. You can use anything. So you also need your scissors, just like this one, and this is our yarn. I'm out of yarn, but I'm just going to manage this one just to show you how to make your pompon. Okay, let's dive into the tutorial. Just get your yarn, make sure you double it. Okay, you can attach it in whatever you are going to be using, either your cup, either your remote, either your paper, but I'm using power bank today. Okay, it's just a simple way of making your pompon at home. So you are just going to keep wrapping your yarn on whatever object you are going to be using. Okay, oh gosh, my yarn is finished. I'm just going to add this purple color. Okay, at the end, let's see how the color will turn out. So after doing everything, it's just going to be looking this way. The yarn is finished. It's not much. You can make much, or you can make smaller, or whatever, depending on you, whatever you want. All right. So my yarn is finished. So I'm going to be using it this way. All right. So gently drag it down, pull it down, please. Take it easy, because if you don't take it easy, you're just going to spoil everything. Insert your hook, then get your strand, then drag your strand to the other side, just like this way, gently, so that it will not spoil. All right, what I mean is, if you eventually let this strand pull off, you are just, you just mess everything up. So just going to take it easy. Okay, from here you're just going to tie this knot, make it very tight. Okay, it should be very tight. All right, and make sure you are not missing this strand, because this is what you are going to be using to drag this in this project. Okay, just this way, small. All right, when you are done making this knot, when you are done tying the knot like this, you're just going to quickly double the strand so that you will not cut it. All right, you just get your scissors. You have to cut this gently. Make sure you are not cutting the strand you are going to use to drag it. All right, when you cut, the two sides is going to be looking this way. All right, let me quickly cut the ones that I've not cut. Okay, it's going to be looking this way. All right, you just get the two strand, make sure you didn't cut it, because this is what you're going to be using to drag. All right, trim it smoothly, make sure everything is level. Make sure everything is at the same level. And that is it. That is just it. Our pompon is almost ready. You can use this as your key holder. You can add it on your beanie or whatever. Please, if you love my video, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your notification bell so that you will get notification each time I post a tutorial in this channel like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I can see your subscription. Thank you so much. I'm blushing. You guys are amazing. I love to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.